What do I do? Is there more? Okay, let's just go for it. There's not more carpet over there. Ah! Please leave me alone. Maybe. Wait, do I need to distract him so I can? Oh! How many freaking animals am I gonna channel today? I can't say it! We run. It's Mrs. Right. What is wrong with you? Okay. Only I would turn a scream into conniving laughter. Go, go, go. Come in. You can do it. Come on, get up the wall. I'm gonna throw the monkey. I think I scared him away. That did not go as planned, but it's fine. Everything's fine, you guys. Why am I stuck? Why am I rotating? Whoa, yeah. What? That's some bull. Maybe I'm freaking out too much. I think I need to be more calm. What? Calm. No, go through the freaking hole! Oh my God. Calm. Go through the second one. No, get through the goddamn hole! Calm. Why? All I want is freedom. This is... This is absurd. This is absurdly cruel. This is just foul. Come on. Are you kidding me? Okay, so I need to go diagonal. I was so close though. What does he do to me? He doesn't even kill me. This poor child has had so many nightmares now. All right, here we go. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound. Staring blankly at... I will kill you. I will kill you myself if he doesn't do it first. Head, just making my way through the crowd. And I need you. And I miss you. And now I want to punch. If I could fall into the sky, do you think time would pass me by? Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. Woo! Holy shit, I did it. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe. You keep your freaky little ramen arms away from me. What can I do? What happens if... I am a horrible person. I'm sorry, but my mind is... I'm too curious, and you just happen to be within an arm's length. I don't blame you for running. You definitely should have run faster, but long live the king and whatever.